Today I'm going to show you a super easy DIY laundry detergent. This is going to help save you money. It's absolutely non-toxic, and maybe you or your baby has sensitive skin and you can't use the regular detergent. So you're going to love all of this juicy information in this next video. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. So I know what it feels like when you get that fresh laundry out. It smells clean, it smells amazing, but oftentimes it can have harmful or harsh chemicals in there. Those harmful effects from our skin to throat irritation and even can be carcinogenic, as well as bad for the environment. Did you know that research shows that dryers emit 7 hazardous pollutants? So I'm going to show you a really easy DIY that you don't have to worry about all of those things. So first thing is Castile soap. I have the mild one today, but you can just buy the regular Castile soap. A little bit goes a long way, and so you're going to love that. Castile soap, baking soda, coarse salt, hot water, and 30 drops of doTERRA's On Guard. That's all you're gonna need, ladies, to make your own laundry detergent. It's really super easy. If you're ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com and you can join the oily family there. Or if you just like to purchase your On Guard, you can go ahead and do that right at roxysaran.com. So let me give you the recipe. 1 cup of Castile soap, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/3 of a cup of coarse salt, 2 gallons of hot water, and 30 drops of doTERRA's On Guard. Now you can use any essential oils, but especially doTERRA because of their potency and purity. They're the only ones that I trust. I can't speak for other companies or what might be in there, some fillers, and it might actually stain your clothes. So I probably wouldn't do that. But I love using On Guard essential oil, but you can use any scent like doTERRA's lavender or even eucalyptus, lemon, wild orange, or any of the seasonal essential oils from doTERRA. You can mix and match. So, but I love using 30 drops of On Guard. All right, so you mix it all together in a large bucket. You wanna shake before use, and you'll portion it out just as needed for the size of your load. So once you make this concoction, 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 of a cup is all that you need per load. So if you're doing a smaller load, you could do 1/4 of a cup. If you're doing a large load, go ahead and do the 1/2 of a cup. All right, so normally, as you would normally use any liquid detergent, you're gonna use this new liquid detergent that you have made all on your own. And guess what, ladies? Those of you that are couponers or budgeters, you're going to love this. Not only is it non-toxic and safe for you and your babies, but it's only 17 cents per load. I know, right? It's gonna save so much money. You just make your own laundry detergent. Go to roxysaran.com if you are ready to get started with essential oils. We would love to welcome you right there to our oily family. Or if you would just like to purchase a few of the oils today, go ahead and go to roxysaran.com. All right, so those of you maybe that need the easy button, maybe you're a working mom, or maybe you're watching this video and you're thinking, gosh, I'm not really a DIYer. I don't want to make my own soap. I don't want to buy all those ingredients. I just want one that's already pre-made for me. That's totally fine as well. No judgment here. I've done that plenty of times. doTERRA's On Guard laundry detergent is amazing. And so no judgment here for pushing the easy button. You can go ahead and grab that at roxysaran.com. It's $30 and it does 64 loads because it's concentrated, there's no water. And so it is super concentrated for you. When you break that down, that's 46 cents a load. So it's very affordable, works super great. Even on those stinky gym clothes, you're gonna have amazing results. The enzymes that are break down those enzymes in the cleaning process. So if you need that, moms, no problem. Go ahead and get doTERRA's On Guard laundry detergent. It works great, and you can get that shipped straight to you from roxysaran.com. We are glad that you were joining us today. Be sure to hit subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I would love to hear from you in the comments. What was your favorite part of this video, or what did you find most helpful? I know oftentimes as moms we have all those challenges with the skin with our babies, so definitely want to hear from you in the comments. All right, guys, so in our next video, we will talk about the amazing sourcing story about frankincense. Where does it come from? And you definitely don't want to miss the sourcing story about frankincense. We'll see you in the next video.